Imagine waking up tomorrow and suddenly you don't exist. Not physically, but digitally. Your bank app doesn't open, your email won't log in, your ID fails verification, and every system just says the same thing: user not recognized. No warning, no explanation, no appeal button. In the UK, this is not science fiction. There are real systems, real laws, and real mechanisms that can effectively erase your digital identity. Let's break this down. Because this isn't about one system, it's about how multiple systems connect together. Dewey Starve to Mars, what is your digital identity? Your digital identity isn't just one thing. It's not your passport. It's not your bank account. It's the combination of everything that proves you are you. Your name, your address, your device, your login patterns, your transaction history, your biometric data, all stitched together across dozens of systems, banks, government databases, telecom providers, online platforms, credit agencies. Each one holds a piece of you. And here's the part most people don't realize. None of them operate in isolation anymore. Got a part two: the invisible connection. When you log into your bank, that bank doesn't just trust your password. It checks your device fingerprint, your IP address, sometimes external data sources, credit agencies, fraud databases, government flags. If something doesn't match, access can be denied instantly. Now imagine this. What if multiple systems stop recognizing you at the same time? Her identity can be removed. Let's be precise. The UK doesn't have a big red button labeled "Delete person," but it doesn't need one. Because identity works like a network, and if enough nodes in that network reject you, you effectively disappear. Farsace Shu idea. Mechanism 1. Account deactivation. Banks can close accounts. Platforms can suspend access. No account, no access. Farsace Shu idea. Mechanism 2. Identity verification failure. If you can't pass verification checks, you can't prove who you are. No proof, no service. Farsace Shu idea. Mechanism 3. Risk flagging systems. Behind the scenes, systems score you continuously. If your score crosses a threshold, restrictions can cascade. No warning. Kach Ifad 4. The legal side. Here's where it becomes uncomfortable. Much of this is legal. Financial institutions are required to manage risk. They must prevent fraud, money laundering, sanctions violations. If they can't verify you, they can refuse service. No, even if you've done nothing wrong. Kach Ifad 5. The cascade effect. Now let's connect everything. One system flags you. That signal spreads. Another system becomes cautious. Then another. Access starts to break. Bank drawn restricted. Email drew locked. Payment drew declined. Verification failed. Naiman da. And suddenly, you can't function digitally. Nashin Tafat Part 6. Real-world scenario. Let's walk through a scenario. You try to log into your bank. It asks for verification. You upload ID. It fails. You try again. Still fails. Account restricted. Now you go to another service. Same issue. Verification successful. Different system. Same outcome. That's not a coincidence. Nashin Tafat Part 7. Why this is increasing. This isn't happening by accident. Systems are becoming more automated, more connected, more risk-sensitive, less human intervention, more decisions made instantly. Nha A Part 8. The key insight. Your digital identity is not something you own. Fa A Feet Ace E Vina. It's something systems agree on. And that agreement can change. Nha A Part 9. The future. The UK is moving toward more digital systems, digital verification, centralized checks, real-time data sharing, more efficiency, but also more dependency. The final section. The question. So here's the real question. What happens if the system decides you don't exist? Not because you disappeared, but because recognition did. This isn't about fear. It's about understanding how the system works. Because once you see it, you can't unsee it. And now you know.